Have you ever wondered why the standard pencil is both hexagonal and yellow? Let's explore the history behind this iconic design. The humble pencil is a masterpiece of design. Despite its simplicity, every feature serves a specific purpose developed over centuries. We see them in classrooms and offices everywhere, but why did we settle on this specific shape and color? It turns out, the persistence of the hexagonal shape and the yellow paint are rooted in both practical engineering and clever marketing. First, let's look at the hexagon. Why not a circle or a square? The primary reason is simple. It stops the pencil from rolling off your desk. A round pencil would constantly wander away, while the flat sides of a hexagon hold it firmly in place. Hexagonal shapes are also more efficient to manufacture. They allow for a tighter fit when cutting multiple pencils from a single block of wood, reducing waste. Beyond manufacturing, those flat surfaces provide an ergonomic advantage, offering a more secure grip for the hand compared to a smooth, round surface. But what about the yellow paint? Why is it the standard color for quality pencils? The story goes back to the 19th century, when the best graphite in the world came from China. In China, yellow was traditionally associated with royalty. Manufacturers painted their pencils yellow to signify that they contained the highest quality Chinese graphite. It was one of the most effective marketing strategies of the era, creating an immediate association between the color yellow and a superior writing instrument. The design stuck, becoming a global standard that remains the default to this day. By combining practical utility with brand signaling, the pencil became the perfect balance of aesthetics and function. Next time you pick up a pencil, you'll know that its unique shape and color are the result of centuries of innovation and history.